In the previous video, we have made a simple website with just heading and paragraph. But in this video, we are going to learn text formatting. With that, we can display different kind of text like bold, italic, underline, highlighted text, and all the things that you can see here. And after that, there is a bonus part, so don't mess it up. Let's go and straight jump into this video. So we're going to learn text formatting and all the concepts that you can see I have noted here. And also there is a bonus part. Let's go and create a new file. This was our previous file that we have coded. Now let's go and create a new file that will be textformatting.html, the extension. Now we will just insert a boilerplate on it, and we will just change the title from here. That will be HTML text formatting. Simple. And inside body, I will just take h1 tag and I will give HTML text formatting. Let's go. And we will just open it with this. You will see a go live option here, so click on it. So we have created our page in HTML. Now let's go. So first we will cover how we can insert bold text in our website. So I'm writing here, read after me. To insert bold tag in HTML, we will use b tag. Now let's go and do it in practical. For that, we will go in textformatting.html. We will type here p, a p tag that we will take here. If your IDE or development environment is Visual Studio Code like me, then if you just type here lorem, then it will give you a demo text. So now let's insert our bold text. For example, I want to bold this lorem ipsum. For that, I will just open the b tag, and the end tag will be after where I want to end. For example, this. If I just save it and if I just go here, you will see this text is coming and the lorem ipsum is bold. Now let's go. Here you can see the B is working fine. And there is another way to bold a text. That is another way to insert bold text in HTML with extra priority. And it is a strong tag. Simple. So we can bold the text with a strong text, and this will give the extra priority to the Google or search crawler when they crawl your website. Again, I want to just bold this text. For example, I will just type here strong. It will just complete automatically, and I will just paste it here. So this is our strong opening tag, closing tag, and this will be our content, what we want to bold. Now if I just go and check it, you will see this is bold. So it's working fine. So here we have learned that with the b tag, we can bold. With the strong tag, we can bold the text in the same way, and it gives extra priority to the search crawler. It helps us for SEO. So we have done with this number 1, and I will just mark it as done. Now how we can italic a text, or how we can display a italic text. Okay. To display italic type text, we will use I. Yes, this is meaningful. We will use I. So if I just go here, okay, I'm just giving another paragraph here. So here I will just type here I, opening tag and closing tag, and I will just type here that italic text. And if I just click on Ctrl S, and if I just go back, and here you will see italic text, right? And also there's another way to display a italic text with extra emphasis, as like we have seen in strong tag. So we have another way, okay, another way to display italic text. That will be our EM with extra priority. So this will give extra priority to search crawler when they crawl a web page. Now if I just go to this page, and for example, if I just take here paragraph tag, and inside that I will just use EM, it will automatically complete the opening and closing tag. And also I'm just type here italic text, and I will just say emphasized, for example. Okay, if I just save it, and if I just go back, and here you will see this is also working as the same way, but it is emphasized. So we have done also the second point. That's it. Now let's understand underline text. To display underline text, to display a underline text, we will use, you might guess what it will be. Yes, it will be U. for underline the text. So it's meaningful. For example, the italic will be I, and also underline a U, and the bold tag is B. So it's meaningful, right, in HTML. Let's go and write here a tag that will be in paragraph. Inside the paragraph, we will take U tag for underline text, and we'll just write here underline text. Perfect. If I just save it and go there, you will see this is underline text and it's working so fine. And with that, we have done also this tag, this element. Perfect. Now, right now we have strike through and deleted text. Okay. To strike through, we will use, maybe you might guess right now, yes, S. If I just go here, P, and also another tag that will be S, strike through text. If I just go and check it out, you can see this is strike through working. Now here you can see this is the slash deleted text. For example, the text was previously there, but we have deleted right now. For example, to show that, show deleted text, we will use del, right? If I just go here and if I just type here deleted text, for example, del, and deleted text, perfect. If I just save it and if I just go here, you will see this is working as the strike through or the S tag is working. We want to show the user that this is deleted, so we can use the del tag. So with that, we have done also the number 4, and we will just write it down. Okay. And there is highlighted text and small text and subscript. Okay. To display, read after me. To display a highlighted text in HTML, we will use, it will be mark. Now if I just go here in HTML page, and if I just type here a p tag, and this is, I will just type here mark tag, and the mark tag content will be highlighted text. If I just save it and if I just go here, you will see the text is highlighted. Perfect. So we'll just type here done. Okay. Now there is a small text, okay, and it's so simple. I'm just showing you again to display a small tag, a small text in HTML. We will use a small tag. Yes, it's same as the name, a small tag. We'll just take a p tag and we'll just type here that small tag, and this is a small text. Okay, perfect. If I just go back to the website, and you will see this is a little bit smaller than this. So if I just go back, the best way to learning, you can make your own notepad, but I will give this notepad link in the description box below. You can check it out from there. Okay, we have done with this small text. Perfect. There is subscript and subscript. Okay. Okay, here I will just type here simply sub, and okay, I will just type here sub, and I will just type here sub. So if I just go here, so I will just take a paragraph here, and I will say this is sub here, and I will just type simply subscript, simple. Okay, and also we will just copy this, and we will just change this as sub. Make sure that you have changed the opening tag also, sub, and we will just type here subscript, Control S, and if I just go back here, you will see this is subscript and this is subscript. Right now I'm showing you a real world scenario. If I just take a p tag here and we just type here $99 and sub will be $30. Okay, and also I will just line through this. For that I will use s tag for line through and just put it before the 130. So if I just go back, and you will see this is a real-time scenario. For example, now you can bold this text, maybe you can just bold this text. For example, you want to bold this, so you can use b tag, and that's it. Okay, if I just go here, you can see this is a real-time scenario that we use to bold a text and line through a text to show a discount offer. With that, we have learned our 7 topics, and that we can use in our HTML page to display different types of text, right? Till now, if you didn't understand anything, comment me below. Okay, now let's go and jump into our bonus part. For the bonus part, I will go through bottom to top. For that, I will cover comment first. Now go to the HTML file that you have created, and here I'm just typing control/, and I'm just typing here, this is a comment. So here is a h1 tag and p tag. Inside the two tag, I have just given this. If I just go the website, you will see nothing is showing because this is called comment in HTML. Now, when it is useful, for example, you're writing so many section in just one HTML, then it's so much useful to comment. For example, this is a section. This is a section. So I will just type here, for example, bold text example. Okay, this is for developer experience to enhance. So if I just type here also again, italic text example, if I just save it, if I just go to the website, nothing will change. But the developer, for example, you will understand, okay, there's the section that I have written all the things for this. So you can use it whenever you want. And with that, we have completed also our comment section. Okay. So like, comment is free, comment below that you are still watching this video. And pre-formatted text. Now let's understand this. I will go again to the HTML file and here I will just comment that will be pre-formatted text. To understand pre-formatted text, have you noticed that there is so many spaces but it's not showing in website? For better understanding, I'm just putting here so many spaces. Press on Ctrl+F and if I just go to the website, nothing is changing. Because why? Because HTML ignores all the spaces you give. So you understand that all the tags in HTML that ignores spaces. But there is one tag that is called pre-formatted, or it's called pre-tag. Whatever I will write, for example, again I'm just taking lorem and it's just giving me a demo text, a space there, and if I just Ctrl+S and go to the website, okay, you will see this is taking the space. So this is how, for example, b tag, that is bold text. So definitely we can use nested tag inside one tag, another tag we can use, and Ctrl+S. And if I just go here, you will see the bold text is coming, but the text is formatting as like we want. Perfect. So pre-tag is helpful, so you can use it whenever you want. With that, we have covered also our pre-formatted tag. So one point left, quotations. Okay. Now for that, I will go to the website. It's called W3 Schools. Okay. I'm just open it. And this is the world's largest web developer site where you can learn anything, okay, whatever language you want. For example, here you'll see HTML. So here you can see this is a navbar, and here all the topics in HTML that HTML has, you will get all the things. But don't worry, all the things that you really don't need to learn as a beginner. Many people just waste time to learn all the things, 100% HTML, 100% CSS. This is not gonna happen, bro. This is not the way. There's many things to learn in coding, right? So I will just go to this quotation section. Okay. So here you will see some tags. It's called block quote, Q tag, ABBR, address, sites. Among the all quotations tag, I will think ABBR tag is the most important that you really need to learn. Now, what is ABBR tag? Let's go and just open your HTML file. And here I will just type here a comment that will be quotation. I'm just saying that ABBR. To use the abbreviation or ABBR tag, I'm just taking a P tag here and I'm just writing here, first version HTML was released in 1993. Now here HTML is short form of hypertext markup language. So we will just wrap up with the ABBR tag here, ABBR. So the tag is auto completed. So we'll just put the HTML inside the content. Okay, maybe you are seeing it first time that what's coming inside this opening tag, right? The simple opening tag is this, but what's coming inside the opening tag? So this is called attribute. Okay, if you don't know what is attribute, okay, we didn't have learned previously what is attribute, but in the next video we're going to cover. So here we have to type hypertext markup language. And if I just go to the website, and here you will see, so whenever I hover HTML, you will see hypertext markup language is coming the full form that we have given the attribute value of the HTML full form, right? So you can use ABBR tag whenever you want to show a full form of a shortcut. With that, we have covered all the topics, and I will give you this notes link in the description box below. So there are many tags for quotations. You can check it out from the website that I have showed you here, W3 School. So I have showed you the important tag of quotation ABBR or abbreviation. You can check out all the things, all the rest of things But this is not important if you ignore right now. If you get overwhelmed, just don't worry. Forget about this. Whatever I have covered in this video, if you understand all the things, then perfect. Comment below if you didn't understand anything in this video. If you think that I can improve my teaching style or content quality, then definitely comment below. I will definitely try to improve it. If you didn't subscribe Code with Zihad, subscribe right now. I will meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.